Alright guys, welcome back to D93 Tech. Got a quick little overview here. Now, I did receive them, actually, as luck has it, Noctua on their Reddit was having a giveaway for the release of their home lineup for Noctua fans and Noctua stuff, so luckily I was able to snag 2 of these in a giveaway. I've got one boxed here still that I haven't used yet, but I've got one out that I've been using for the last few days just to give it a test run. Let me slide that out of the way here. So this is the NVFS2, sorry, confusing name to me. You've got the Noctua fan in here. Now for the fan, let me see if I can read that as the NF-A12X25 PWM fan in there. You can see here. So it comes with the metal little fan cover here, the grate. Comes with a rubber gasket or seal. You've got the 4 rubber, whatever you want to call those. I'm going to call them rubber corners. Rubber corners it comes with that, so we're going to set that there. It also comes with this, which is a speed dial. And so you can just adjust your speed like this. And by turning it all the way down, it does shut the fan off. As far as the box experience, or unboxing experience I should say, it comes in a nice clean box. On the back it's got all of your information, what this product is intended for, what you can use it for. Really, let me sum it up for you, you can use it for anything. And my goals with this is to take my TV stand, which you'll see in a video I'm going to clip in here. It's pretty tight where my electronics are right now. I've got my Xbox in there and the spot is only about this big, so the airflow isn't great. I find that the Xbox is getting very hot very quickly just because there's no venting on the sides and nothing on the back. It's really just having to draw air in from the front, in through the sides and up to the bottom. And again, the exhaust, not enough room for it to pull. So my thought is I'm going to essentially cut an opening, just sawzall aside through the TV stand on both sides. I'm going to mount this on one side, another one of these, this one right here, on the other side, possibly over top, where the Xbox is anyways for now. And I'm going to have one as the exhaust. So my top one, I'm mounting like this. I don't have to worry about anything being over top or getting on top of it, because though it's going to have clear room, I do have my thin TV, LG TV, it's going to be going over top, so really it's only going to block a thin line like this over top. But that's going to take that hot air coming out of the Xbox exhaust, throw it up to the top. And then the one on the side I'm going to have as an intake. It's going to pull fresh air in through the side, go right into the Xbox, give it that cold, nice fresh air that it needs to run efficiently. Now, I'm not saying the Series S inefficient product runs hot or anything like that, but extra cooling is always great. It's just like a PC. Extra cooling, you just can't go wrong. Why not? If you can do it, why not do it? One thing you can do with this is you can actually either 3D print or purchase a Noctua bracket to turn this into a desk fan. Basically, you can make this into a little small desk fan, which for PC builders, PC enthusiasts, or just to add to your PC desk, I think this would look amazing. To have a PC fan, especially one from Noctua, as a little desk fan there. And that would essentially then take that fresh air it's pulling in and blow it at you, or blow it anything you want it to cool off. Maybe you want to put it out to your PC to cool that off, your monitor, yourself. We all know that play a little Warzone, you work a bit of a sweat. Well, this can help cool you down. Opening up this box here, so inside I'm trying to make everything fall out. Really, really nice unboxing experience. Inside, try to hold this open without freaking falling down. Got the fan like I just showed. Your speed dial. You also got a power adapter here, or power supply, which is just gonna plug right into the wall. Just kind of like that. Additional so this little splitter cable here, all this is to do is to take your power supply here, connect in like that. This will then connect into your speed dial here. We'll just kind of go in like, try to do this right without breaking the thing. Clip in like that. And then your fan we'll connect to the other side. Boom. And this will plug it in the wall. This cable's plenty long. It's going to be great for anything. And again, just your little speed dial there. So overall, this is a great product. I can only find this on Amazon right now, and it's about $100. So it does seem pricey for, you know, looking at it at first glance, you're gonna say $100 for one fan. That's pretty expensive, but it's the things you get with it that make it worth its value, I think. And over time, I'm sure the prices are gonna come down a little bit or fluctuate. But again, you get this little power supply, you get the speed dial, you get the grate, you get the grounds or the base here or whatever. You also get a 4-pack of screws as well, so if you want to mount it to the base, you can. The base you can pick up for $50 on Amazon Canadian, or you can just 3D print one, which is actually something I'm getting done right now. So once I get that base 3D printed, I'll make sure to show off how that looks total, you know, overall, how does it perform, all that stuff. This fan blows a ton of air. It's incredibly quiet, insanely quiet. I have my place just dead quiet right now. When this fan's running, I can't hear it at all. Once I clip in that video too, I've got it running full blast, and you're gonna be able to hear it running. Very, very mild noise, that's it. No gear grinding, no bearing sound, nice and smooth. All you hear is just of the airflow coming through. So let me know in the comments below what you guys think of this product. I want to keep bringing stuff like this to you guys, to your attention, to show you some amazing products that there you might not be originally looking at. Anyways, guys, let me know in the comments below again what you think. Give me some suggestions of products you'd like to see me talk about, bring up. Again, this one's more of a review. Some other posts I've made or some other videos I made, they're more of overviews. And I'm going to have a mixture of reviews and overviews in here, my thoughts on stuff. I'm also going to be uploading a video to the channel that's going to give you my overview and my plans for the channel. Sorry if I keep reaching off the side here. I've got a cat that's trying to jump up in front of the camera to do a cat bomb or a photo bomb, I guess. I'm going to give a little quick rundown of what my plans are for this channel. Make sure to check that out. Again, it's a new channel. I'm not doing this for fame, for anything like that. I'm doing this just because I'm passionate about this stuff. I love it. And I've got some free time in my hands, which I'll discuss in the video about why I've got the free time. And I just want to show off my passion to the world. If anything, it's almost like a video journal for myself. If you guys can find something here helpful, that'd be awesome. If not, totally understand. You know, these type of videos aren't for everybody. Some great channels out there with some great information. I'd love to just create a channel that would give you, the average person, some engaging, some interesting, some exciting content. And, you know, hopefully just teach you one or two things, or at least put your mind and put your eyes on something you might not have originally wanted to look at or thought about looking at or even realize is out there. Anyways, guys, thanks for tuning in to D93 Tech. I'm out of here. See you later.